I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by proving this is your account. Open Gmail or Settings accounts and tap Forgot Password. Once done, enter the email address and follow prompts. You will be asked to confirm recent passwords, connected devices, or the last time you signed in. These bits help Google trust you. Make sure to use the Android device you normally use and a familiar Wi-Fi network. That increases success probability. If prompted, choose verification via your backup phone or email next. Next, you'll move through verification options. Select SMS to a recovery phone, a backup email, or an authenticator app if you previously set one up. Once selected, follow the single-use code or approve the Google prompt on a trusted device. If you have recovery codes, use one now. They bypass the need for SMS. Make sure to type codes exactly and keep the session active. Timeouts happen. If account access is still denied, choose the option to provide more details to Google. Finally, set a new strong password using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Do not reuse passwords from other sites. Once reset, make sure to enable two-step verification and update your recovery phone and email so future recovery is smoother. If you cannot recover immediately, use Google's account recovery form and provide as many accurate details as possible. Then wait for their response. Troubleshooting tip: if recovery fails, try again from a device and location you frequently used with that account, so Google recognizes the context.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.